So your plane's about to leave in 24 hours, and you haven't packed a goddamn thing. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to pack for adventure. I'm going to show you what I personally do and how I rig it up. This is not a video for folks that want to pack all their shit. This is a video for folks that want to be light on their toes, to move in and out of the cities quickly.
We move swift, we move silent, we move deadly.
Don't want to be burdened down with a bunch of stuff. Now there are certain items that you're going to need to pack which are going to be crucial to your success. And before we even get going, please like, share, subscribe, comment, stick stuff in there. Cram it in there however you need to. Just make it happen. And we appreciate every single one of you. Now, it is imperative that you have an unlocked phone for your trip. What is an unlocked phone? It's a phone that's not locked. You're gonna take out the chip that's in your phone and stick in another one. The little piece that you just kind of stick in there and the thing pops out. That's what you're gonna have to do. And you're gonna be replacing it with a chip from the country that you happen to be in. More on that later. So make sure it's unlocked, otherwise this shit will not work. Unlock your phone. Next on the list. If you're like me and you're one of those people that's like super into backpacks, like the ultimate backpack, with all the bells and whistles and all that shit and a little hose that comes out, then wear what you like. If you do not have one, I highly recommend a backpack. Forget the luggage. This isn't a business trip to Denver, Colorado. No, forget that. You're going to need something you can throw over your shoulder, wear on your back. I would highly recommend getting something like this. What is this, you ask? This is a backpack that is 100% waterproof, water resistant. You can literally use it as a flotation device. This thing could save your life, bro. Oh, I don't want to die. You open it up and you stick your stuff inside. I mean, this thing goes on for days. Then you roll it up nice and tight. Take the little clappity clasps and click them together. If you're going anywhere where there's gonna be water, dude, protect your shit. If you guys don't know where to get one, there's gonna be a link down below. There's gonna be, and you'll be able to get your very own. It is one of our marketing affiliates and will greatly help us if you get it this way, so do it. Do it. Do it! As far as clothes go, you're gonna wanna bring 2 sets of footwear. Shoes, so you're gonna need some socks to go with that, and a pair of slippers. As far as clothing goes, bring a couple t-shirts, a couple pairs of shorts, and literally that's it. You're literally gonna be packing like Tyler Durden.
Got 2 black shirts?
Sir.
2 pair of black pants?
Yes, sir.
1 pair of black boots?
Sir.
2 pair of black socks?
Sir.
1 black jacket?
Sir.
His name was Robert Paulson. So packing light, right? Doesn't mean we're not gonna have a lot of clothes on this journey. Remember, you're gonna wanna do some cool stuff. We're gonna wanna navigate, cruise around, check out the malls, go shopping, because you know what happens when you do that? You get to meet the people. You're gonna meet a lot more beautiful people outside of your hotel room. And then you can bring them back to your hotel room. You see how that works? If it's cold where you're coming from, it's good to bring a light sweatshirt while you're navigating through all these freezing ass airports all over the country. Now wear a pair of sweats, get comfy, get snuggly. You're in it for the long haul, baby, and your butt cheeks are gonna thank you for it. Next on the list. So that's one bag. The second bag is gonna be the laptop bag. And inside the laptop bag, we are gonna have these items. The laptop, the camera, the cords, any docks that you might have, the phone charger, any meds, because you never know. You know? Now what do I have on me as I'm cruising through? I got the light sweatshirt, I got the sweatpants, I got the backpack, I got the bag, hat, shoes, all my IDs of course are in my pocket, and in the words of my dear friend Andre Nickatina, I keep my money by my nuts. And the final item on the list. Call me totally insane, but I'm one of those dudes that brings a pillow. I literally bring a fucking pillow. I don't bring the little neck pillow that people wear. I will literally bring a goddamn pillow with me on my journey. My pillow is super thin. And when I'm traveling around, I gotta have that pillow with me. It's the only way I can sleep without waking up thinking that I just got drop kicked in the neck by some ninjas. Like a hippopotamus raped my neck. So in a nutshell, that's what I bring. So join me in the next video where we do a checkup from the neck up and prepare to launch. And I'll see you guys there.